Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, Libra, this is your current energy, the Seven of Swords, and the Emperor is your partner's current energy. Okay, so Libra, you are being somebody with the Seven of Swords card who is escaping from some place, or who wants to escape from some place in your life. Okay, perhaps you are stuck in some pathetic job. Okay, or perhaps you are stuck with some toxic people in your life, or perhaps you are stuck somewhere which is not a good place for you to live. Okay, perhaps you are stuck in your own negative energies. So somewhere in your life you are feeling stuck, and you just want to move out from that place, from that zone, from that energy as fast as you can. Okay, and plus you just want to make sure that nobody is looking to you. The moment you are, I feel that you are planning to move out somewhere, and the thing is that you don't want anybody else to know that what is into your mind, or what are you up to. Okay, you just want to escape, and you don't want to tell this to anyone. This is your current energy, Libra, and this is your partner's current energy, the Emperor. All right, this person is pretending that they are king. Okay, this person is somebody who is a provider. This person is somebody who is protector, who is nurturer, who is giver. Okay, this person has the ability to lead a relationship. All right, but at some point of time this person has its own limits. Okay, you cannot see a king roaming around here and there on normal streets. King has his own dignity, king has his own reputation, king has his own pride, and they have to maintain it. They have to maintain it at any cost. So that's why I feel that this person is pretending that they are king, and they have their own limits. Okay, they cannot stretch their limits beyond a point. You like it or not, or nobody or anybody else likes it or not, but they are showing what they are. They are king, they are emperor, and they are behaving in the same manner. All right, some people can be hurt with this kind of attitude, but that's how they are meant to be. Okay, divine has given them this power to provide people. All right, now let's see what you feel about them and what they feel about you, or how you see them and how they see you. Eight of Pentacles. So you see them as somebody, Libra, that this person is someone who is completely into work. Okay, for you they are somebody who is workaholic person. You always find them in a working mood. Okay, they always talk about work, they always think about work, they always, whenever you try to connect with them, they always say that, hey, I am working. So you see them as somebody who works 24/7. Okay, or who is pretending to work 24/7 so that they can ignore certain situations in their life. Okay, perhaps you feel that this person is pretending to be busy, but they are not. Perhaps they are hiding something from you. Perhaps they want to ignore you. Perhaps they don't want to show you something or some emotions. Okay, so that's what you feel about them. On the other hand, we have Chariot. Libra, this person thinks about you that you have that power to control the situations. You have that ability and skills to control your life, but you are being very naive. You are being very childish. At some point of time you behave like a kid. Okay, you just ran out from some situations. You do not show that you are capable enough to take decisions. Okay, so that's why this person sees you as somebody who is very immature. Okay, who cannot take a solid decisions into their life. okay, or perhaps you must be taking some decisions about your personal life, but when it comes to this relationship, your person has no faith on you. They don't trust you that this person can take, I mean, you can take any solid step towards them. So when it comes to relationship, they feel that you are somebody who is naive, who is immature, who don't know how to deal with the other person, who don't know how to keep this relationship alive. And that's why they feel that even though you must be doing great in your personal life or professional life, but when it comes to relationship thing, your person feels that you are immature, you have no basic skills to maintain any kind of relationship with anyone. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. We have 9 of cups in reverse and king of wands. Libra, I feel that you are being somebody who is completely, surrounded by a lot of love offers, okay, because you are somebody who loves, okay, you love, so you are being someone who is surrounded by a lot of love offers or proposals, or perhaps a lot of people are chasing you right now. All right, and you are also enjoying their attention. That's pretty cool. You are not ignoring them, you are completely happy to entertain them, you are completely open to be with relationship with multiple people in the same time, okay. But yes, when it comes to this person, I am not seeing any kind of action happening towards them, because you are busy in your own life, you are busy with your own offers, okay. On the other hand, we have king of wands. See, king, what's happening? They are somebody who can take action towards you. They are someone who want to take action towards you, but this kind of behavior is something which they cannot tolerate at all, okay. They cannot tolerate your this player kind of relationship, or behavior, or flirty kind of behavior, okay. So they are just waiting for you to be out from this energy. Only then they'll be able to communicate something to you, or they'll be able to talk to you, because this person is waiting for you to be out from here. They cannot talk to you, or they cannot take any action towards you until you are surrounded by a lot of love offers, okay. So if you really want them to take certain action towards you, you have to make a room for them. All right, so this person wants to take action towards you. It's not they don't want to take any action, but yes, they will take action towards you when you will be out from this energy, okay. Now let's see what you guys feel in this relationship, or how you see this relationship. Lot of waiting. 3 of wands. Libra, with this 3 of wands card, I feel that you see this person is not in your reach. Oh my god, you see them that they are not in your reach. It could happen for some of you, Libra, that this person lives in some other part of the country, or some other city, or some other country, or some other continent, okay. This could be a long distance relationship, so that's why for you it is something which is unacceptable or unexecutable, because you feel that this person is out of your reach, okay. What if you start taking action towards them, but at the end of the day, when you are not when you cannot meet them, okay, so what is the point for you to take this relationship or take their love into your life, okay. So it's not that you don't think about them, you must be thinking about them, but yes, at some point of time you feel that why should I invest my time or energy into somebody who is not in my reach. All right, okay. On the other hand, we have justice. This is your partner's energy. Your partner feels in this relationship, I feel that this person must have learned a lot of things from the day they have encountered with you in this relationship, or perhaps they fall for you in this relationship. They must have learned lot of things. Okay, they must have learned patience, they must have learned, I don't know what all they have learned throughout this their love, or or affection, or in this relationship, I don't know. But it is for sure that they have learned this thing, that okay, if this person is giving this much of attention to me, I am going to give them only that much of attention. Okay, it's not that it's me who is putting all my efforts to the other person, and the other person is not nowhere doing anything for me. Okay, so they are bringing balance into their life. This relationship has taught them that hey, you need to invest in those people who investing in you, or who invest in you. Okay, so they have learned this from you, that hey, if I am doing some x or xyz thing for you, so I'll expect the same from you. Okay, or if I am doing something for you, I need the same amount of efforts for me as well. Okay, so they have become more rational right now. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy and the future potential? What is the mutual energy? Knight of Swords. Who wants to move towards the other person? Is it you or them? Is it you or them? I think it's them. I told you that they really want to take some solid action towards you, but yes, they are just ignoring, or they are just waiting for you to be out from certain energies. So yes, they want to take some solid action towards you, but yes, after considering or after seeing your behavior towards them, they feel that it's okay. But if you make a call to them right now, or if you try to communicate with them right now, or if you try to take some action towards them right now, they'll probably say yes, because they are waiting for some kind of action from your side. Until you are doing anything, they won't do anything. Okay, on the other hand, future perspective of this relationship is Four of Swords. Libra, I think it's you who has chosen to sleep, who has chosen to ignore, who is deliberately ignoring this person, or ignoring this person's efforts, and you will be in the same energy for the coming time as well. Perhaps you feel that this relationship is not what you are looking for in life, or perhaps you feel that this person is not for what you are looking for in life, or anything could be happen. So the thing is that you are being somebody who is not interested in this relationship. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's take some guidance from angels. What angels are advising you? What angels are advising you? Let's see. What angels are advising you? Remain positive. Who? This message is for who? Yes. Perhaps Libra, for some of you, angels wants to say that do not lose hope. Okay, if you feel that this person is not in your reach, then please don't lose hope. It could happen for some of you that yes, this is the person for you for the rest of your life, and angels are saying yes to, and angels are advising you to remain positive. Do not let them go. Okay, just because you have thought that this person is not into your reach, don't think that this love is going to end, or this relationship has ended. You never know what God is planning for you. Okay, so Libra, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Aries and Cancer and another Libra. Okay, we have air sign in this reading. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with the 7 of Swords, King of Swords, 4 of Swords. We have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 8 of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 9 of Cups in reverse. And some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 3 of Wands and King of Wands. Alright. So Libra, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.